I love you all. I wish you could all come home with me.